Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Just with Mahesh. So I'm planning to create some more videos, more on the GCP interview questions. I have seen few requests coming on this part. So I have already created three questions which I have seen, and as I have mentioned a couple of times, the whole intent is not to leak any interview questions, but what is the approach you take to answer it? That is the only thing which I wanted to convey here. So we have already seen three questions or three different types of questions. So let's look into the fourth question, which I recently faced as an interview. So let's get started. All right. So the question number four. So this was totally a new experience, is what I would say. As I mentioned in the slide, experience a new style of interview, and maybe some of you would have already seen, but for me it was the first time. So the question was very simple: can these GCE instances ping each other? So the question looks very, very simple, right? But the approach which was taken was slightly different. So let's look into it. The approach which the interviewer took when I was interviewed for this consultant role was, it was slightly different. So what was the approach the person took was, he started sharing his screen using Google Meet. So these days most of the interview happens using Meet or any kind of virtual conferencing. So this was using Google Meet, and the person directly started sharing, as I mentioned, and he directly went into the compute engine screen and asked me a question. So can the front end and back end ping each other? So that was a question, and he told, due to sensitivity of this project, I cannot share you some other details. But by just looking at the screen, can you say whether it is going to work or not? Ping is going to work or not is what he asked. So this was a new approach which I felt, because most of the time I have seen they ask a question, we answer it, or there's going to be some kind of whiteboarding. But screen sharing and showing a live project, and this was literally their live project which the person showed, and that's the reason he was little hesitant to show further information. So by just looking at the name, literally the name was front end and back end. By just looking at the stuff, front end, back end, assuming there's no middle tier, I could have told them, yes, front end is going to reach back end, so they are reachable, is what I could have told easily. But I did not take that. And given the fact that the interviewer told I cannot share further information or I cannot go to some other screen. So the only thing which I asked is, can I ask you to turn on certain features or certain columns in the screen? Is that possible? Is what I asked. Then the person told, yes, it is possible. So then what I asked him is, please click on this column display option, and please check the checkbox which is network. So I guess we have talked about this even in our videos. So this was helpful for me to answer this. So I asked them to do this part. Then click OK. The moment they did it, the one which captured my eyes was this part. It is very clear. The front end was in network 0, back end was in network 1. So basically, these are two different networks in the same project, or two different VPCs in the same project. Now I told, it is possible or it could not be possible. There are two aspects there. So I took an assumption. So if I assume these two networks are peered each other using VPC network peering or using cloud VPN, they can ping each other, provided the firewall rules routes are all also be there. So first of all, both the networks should be peered using VPC network peering or cloud VPN, and also the firewall rule and the routes exist. It is possible, is what I mentioned. So the person was impressed. That's what I would say. Uh, so it was very simple, right? So by just with the name, don't go with it. So ask them to do, and I did not ask him to show the firewall rules or the network details or anything. So it was just basically asked to turn on this flag or this column. This column is very, very useful, is what I see. So whenever I do any real implementations, I always make sure I turn this on. This solves most of the problem. So I answered it, and I was able to get into that small uh, a very short consultant role for a short time. So that was really interesting. And this was a nice approach I felt. So sharing the screen, and that way the interviewer also knows that the person whom they are interviewing know is having real time experience. It's not they are seeing GCP console for the first time. So that was really a good one. So that's the video which I wanted to share basically whether the VMs ping or not. So by just using the concept was able to answer it. So hope you like the video. So I'm planning to do more videos on this, and I have already seen few have already posted some questions which you had seen as an interview question. I'll try to answer them as a series. So since I have created a playlist itself, so you should be able to see more videos in the near future. Thank you for watching.